Okay, quick view here. 2 of 12 studies drawing. I did spring 1968 when I was a senior at MartinVanBuren High School for an art class taught by the late Mr. Frank Diefenworth here in the 68 yearbook, Queens Village, New York. This one I drew my right hand. I'm left-handed, so I draw with my left hand. This is dated 5/68, May 68. This one dated March 14th, 68. And Mr. Diefenworth wrote 12 hands needed not finished. Evidently, I must have only submitted, I don't know, 10 or 11. I do have 12 all told, so eventually I did complete the assignment. Thinking of the hands, recommend people look up the Remember paintings. There's 3 of them, one in English wordage, one in Hebrew, written Hebrew, and one in Yiddish, which has Hebrew letters, with the hands against a brick wall. These are meant to connote the Warsaw Ghetto, and late award-winning children's book author. And I remember in the early years of my guest teaching in schools, a lot of elementary school teachers were particularly fond of those paintings with the hands that Birnbaum painted for discussion, question and answer with school class students, pupils in British English. All right, there you have it. To be continued. I've got just a few more small sections to do here.